and positivity. And thank you once again for tuning in this channel. To the new subscribers, to the returning subscribers, I appreciate and I don't take it for granted, guys. Thank you. Today, there are some things that I have found in Jamaica that are so unique that cannot be found in other countries. Sometimes you can ask me, Lam, how do you mean that those things are not found in other countries? I want to tell you, Jamaicans are unique in their own way. Look at the color of their flag. I've noted everywhere you go in Jamaica, you'll find the colors of the flag, including their airport. The airport in Jamaica has colors of the flag of Jamaica. One thing that I know about Jamaica, they are very, very proud of their flag. In fact, if you look at the teams that play netball, that play football, that learn, they always have their flag when they go for competitions. And I'm going to put a clip here of the concluded Paris Olympics that happened like a year ago, and you see that as Jamaica were marching, they were raising their flag high. Jamaicans are very, very proud of their flag. And what I have realized is unique in the flag of Jamaica. The flag of Jamaica has only three colors, if I'm not wrong: gold and black and green. And those colors have very strong meaning. The colors represent the strength of the people of Jamaica, the resilience, the creativity of the people of Jamaica. The sun Jamaica is always warm. So they really speak forth to the hearts of the people of Jamaica. It is a constant reminder of the people of Jamaica's strength, resilience, power, and the ability to create creativity. And that is why the Jamaican people value their flag. And you'll not just find those colors in the airport, you'll find them in every shop you go. That is so, so unique. Because when you go to the shops in Kenya, you will not find the colors of our flags or t-shirts that have the colors of the flag of Kenya. It is very, very rare. But in Jamaica, the shops you go, the t-shirts have the colors of Jamaica. What are they called? The swimming costumes have the colors of the flag of Jamaica. I remember one time, Shonarwa went to purchase a swimming costume. And these swimming costumes had the colors of Jamaica. And I think Dimwango has one swimming costume that has got the colors of Jamaica. That shows how valuable the colors and the flag of Jamaica is to the people of Jamaica. Have a look at this Nigerian YouTuber, and he visited Coronation Market. I'll talk about Coronation Market later. But if you look at this guy walking around the shops of Jamaica, you can see that they have t-shirts that have got the colors of Jamaica, and he actually purchased one. Have a look at it, then I'll come back.
One of the interesting parts about coming to a market in any country is the market gives you like the actual vibe of the country itself, as compared to if you're just like in the city areas. I'm trying to see if I can get a shirt that says Jamaica on it. I doubt I'll be able to see my size though. Who's here? Hello? It's like there's nobody here. Hello. Yeah, hello. You have a Jamaican shirt?
Yeah.
How much for this one?
$10.
This is the flea market where you can buy like a shirt like this. It says $10, but that is way too expensive. But yeah, whatever, man. Support local businesses. It's me, I'm wearing Jamaican shirts. It's kind of like tight a bit.
Guys, you can see how proud the people of Jamaica are in the colors of their flag, and they always portray them in the clothes they wear along the streets. You can see a lot of artwork on the flags of Jamaica, colors, and also on the colors of the Rastafarian. And this is something I find very, very unique, because I've gone to several countries in Africa, but I have not seen a country whereby you'll find so everywhere portraying the color of their flag. But Jamaica will portray on the streets, in the shops, on the road, in the airport, everywhere you go, you cannot fail to notice the colors of the flag of Jamaica and the meaning of those colors. It is so, so important to Jamaican people. So that is one thing that I have noted special about Jamaican people. The other thing is that including the uniform for the police officers, in the same video of this Nigerian who actually visited Jamaica, and she was speaking to the police officers in Jamaica, you could see at the arm here, I don't know whether it was a sweater, it is patched, a punch of the colors of the flag of Jamaica. Very, very proud of their colors. Maybe you can have a look at the police in Jamaica and the colors they have on the soldiers. They have a patch of the colors of Jamaica.
Me and made me feel at home.
Favorite Jamaican food? I would say
Jack chicken?
Not really, the jerk pork.
Jerk pork. Jerk pork. What about you, bro? What's your favorite Jamaican food? Fish? Okay.
And guys, that is how important the colors of the flag are to the Jamaican people. They are everywhere. In the uniform of their police officers, in the marketplace, in the shops, in the airport, in the streets of Jamaica, you'll find the colors of the flag of Jamaica and, of course, the Rastafarian colors. The other thing that I noted, Jamaica market has everything. I think here in Kenya, when you go to the market, you'll go and find food and all those items. But I have seen that a Jamaican market is very, very busy. It has music. You will not find music in the markets of Kenya. People dancing, people singing, people entertaining. And you also see all the items you would desire to buy in those markets. We have seen the Mwango walking along the streets of Trenchtown, going to the market, and you can see a lot of foodstuffs. From the fruits, to the foodstuffs, to the vegetables, to the potatoes, to the arrowroots, to the yams, everything that you would want to purchase, it is in the market of Jamaica. I'm going to show you the Coronation Market, one of the greatest markets in Jamaica, and you're going to see what I mean by you can purchase almost everything from a market in Jamaica. It is so elaborated, it's so packed, the people are so busy, there is also entertainment, and I could not believe this. Just a marketplace, but it has everything in it. Have a look at it.
One thing I realized is that most markets in most countries that have like a lot of black people, they all look very, very similar. Like this one now looks like anything somewhere in Lagos, Nigeria. Guys, you should buy in the market here.
He's the official artist. You see me just use my talent and just sing to get the people to come and gather around and come buy them cheap. I'm realizing them love it. Them love the excitement and them love the vibe. You see it, I just that. So we just sing. We just sing for our art.
We're not doing it for the money, we do it for the love, you know. Love our people, so we enjoy ourselves, live every day like our last. So when we have tourists come down, we try to treat them more nicer. They want to come back each time, hang around us, smoke, we drink, you know, party and all that. Yeah, Jamaica nice.
I only think up for the beer. She from Nigeria. I wish she would up in the good things, them cheap. The nice things, them cheap. I bet your mama that welcome to me Eve. I saw my move, I saw my rock, I saw me sell a cheaper. 2 bills and
Man, this market is so busy. Super busy, man. They sell like everything here, from foodstuffs to clothing. Every single thing you want to buy, you can get it here.
Don't you think Jamaica is a unique country? This is the market, and you can see how busy people are, and you can also see the entertainment that is in the market and the number of items that are being sold in those markets. By the way, the market in Jamaica is almost similar to most of the markets in Africa, but you can see this market is busier than most of the markets in Africa. Busy in the fact that there is entertainment apart from the selling and buying of the items in the market. So I came to realize the market in Jamaica is a very, very unique market by the products or the items that are sold there and also the entertainment. The other thing that is so unique to the people of Jamaica is the fact that the people of Jamaica are so loving. Every person that goes to Jamaica actually talks about the love you are shown by the people of Jamaica. Guys, I'm picking the phone so that I can be able to read for you one of the people that went to visit Jamaica, and according to this guy, he had been told how dangerous Jamaica is. But when he arrived, he found that that is the best place to be, and he was actually shown a lot of love by the people of Jamaica. They actually, one of the guys, Jamaican guys, met him in the airport and took the bother to take him around. The love the people of Jamaica show to people is immense. I have not seen that kind of love in any other country. Where you just go, you are not from that country, they don't know you, but they show you a lot of love. They even go to an extent of assisting you and you are a person they don't know. Those are the Jamaicans for you. Remember when Dimwango first visited Jamaica, he met Kino through Christmas trees. And when he met Kino took the bother to take the girl all out Jamaica to actually transport her from one point to the other and actually show her and explain to her everything about Jamaica. This is not somebody you can just take for granted. A person will sacrifice their time, their money to actually show you around Jamaica. That is how deep Jamaicans can love people. Remember also Esther. Dimwango actually spent some time in Esther's place. Not even sometimes. She actually spent in Esther's house the first time she visited Jamaica, the second time, and I think the third time. And all those times, Esther was hosting her, was providing food for her, was doing everything for her, and we never had Esther complaining or talking about Dimwango. Esther also hosted Shonarwa, and she also hosted Coco Gap. That is how generous Jamaican people are. I have also seen a lot of YouTubers, like Irina. I always refer to her because she's one of the YouTubers I follow in Jamaica. Irina says, when she arrived in Jamaica, the love she was shown by the people of Jamaica was immense. They actually went to the extent of showing her, or rather supporting her in her research. That is the kind of people Jamaicans are. And those are not the only ones. I'm going to read the comments in the video of, I think this guy is called Tayo. Tayo, who is from Nigeria, and she visited Jamaica, and we can see many people who are not Jamaicans actually commenting and talking about the great support the Jamaican people give to the newcomers, to the people that go and visit Jamaica. This is somebody called Howard, and he's saying, the fact that the man came off of a plane and just met the man for the first time. This is a Jamaican that was met for the first time and just start touring, just showing him around Jamaica. Jamaicans make a difference. They are great people. This is just a person who had never met Tayo. And the minute they met in the airport, this guy was just like Tayo knew him, and it's like he had spent some time with him. He was so ready to take the guy around and to explain to the guy about Jamaica. Because remember that when Tayo was leaving Nigeria, he had a lot of negativity about Jamaica. And this guy helped Tayo to prove that Jamaica is the best place one can visit. There are others that came to the comment section and actually contributed to say how Jamaicans are great. Let me have a look at, there is this one. This one is from Minnesota in the USA. And he says, I spent a week, he's called who? Killer. He's called Killer. And Killer says, I spent a week in Jamaica back in January. And I am from Minnesota in the United States of America. I never felt so welcomed, so at peace, so loved, and so at home in my life. I love the way he has elaborated. So at peace, so loved, so at home, like the way he felt. And this is a guy who has traveled many countries, and he's actually choosing to say this about Jamaica. I didn't want to leave. The people in Jamaica are so welcoming. He never felt like leaving Jamaica because the people of Jamaica are very, very welcoming. I hate it here. I want to go back to Jamaica. He hates his country. And he says, I want to go back to Jamaica and never come back. I have never in my life experienced so much love, guys. I love what this guy is saying about Jamaica. Guys, and some of you usually ask me, Lam, when are you going to come to Jamaica? I tell you, if I had money, I would fly to Jamaica tomorrow. That is how eager, that is how much I would love to come to Jamaica. I have talked about Jamaica, I have talked about so many places in Jamaica, and I cannot wait to go to those places. I cannot wait to see the great people of Jamaica, to interact with them, to have, I can't even be able to explain, and also to taste the great food of Jamaica. Guys, I wish I have money. I don't want to say I do a GoFundMe because, guys, I wish I have wings. I can fly up to Jamaica and stop at Kingston, go to Montego Bay, go to Ocho Rio, go to every parish in Jamaica and see the great people of Jamaica and the great wonders in Jamaica. So this guy is from Minnesota in the United States of America, and he's talking about how great Jamaica was. He felt at peace, he felt loved, he felt at home. Noande Dimwango always says that she's a Jamaican, and I shot a video why people always desire to be Jamaicans. Because there are so many people that would want to be Jamaicans because of the love they have received from the people of Jamaica, the warm welcome, the feel at home that you feel when you interact with the people of Jamaica. This one is saying, as a Nigerian who has lived in Jamaica, this is a Nigerian who has lived in Jamaica, and he says, for over 2 years, it is a beautiful place. Everyone needs to visit at least once. That is my idea also. We should at least visit Jamaica at least once. And there is another one, still a Nigerian. This one says, actually the first one is called The Ram from his song. And this one is called Femi Fab. And Femi Fab is saying, I am a Nigerian living in the States. I visited Kingston last year, the closest I've been to home in almost 15 years. Lovely people, lovely food, oh my God. And a lovely society. Can't wait to visit again. One love the people of Jamaica. That is why I love you people. These people cannot be a coincidence. That everybody that visits Jamaica talks about the love the people have, the great welcome, the feel of peace when you land at the soils of Jamaica. So this is just a Nigerian who visited Kingston last year, and he talks about it is the place he felt closest at home. He felt lovely, he experienced lovely people, lovely food, and a lovely society. And he said he cannot wait to go back to Jamaica. There is also this is also a Nigerian called Kensal Risen. And he says, Jamaica, Rad we love. One Nigeria, one Lagos, one Jamaica, one Kingston, Jamaica love. So everybody is expressing love to the people of Jamaica because they have taught us how to love. They have taught us how to embrace people. They have taught us how to treat people. You are great. And I don't say it just to say it. Jamaicans, you are great. And I cannot wait to step my foot on the soils of Jamaica. Then we have this one. Actually, this one is from Guyana, another island in the Caribbean. And he says, I'm from Guyana and had been to Jamaica twice. And both times my heart beats differently. Yani, Jamaica makes people's heart beat. It feels like home to me. But there is, then he says, but there is something about Jamaica that makes your heart leap for joy. You can't help but smile, love Jamaica. I salute you, the people of Jamaica. If these are people talking about the experience in Jamaica, I cannot wait to come there. I cannot wait to come there. Guys, if one of you has money to sponsor me, I can fly to Jamaica. Hey. The testimonies here about Jamaica are so immense, are so many from all over the world. People are talking about the great Jamaica, the people of Jamaica, and I cannot wait to actually visit the island. And I have seen very many people going to Jamaica talking about the same thing, the great people of Jamaica. Remember, this video was about the other side of Jamaica that many don't know. So Jamaicans are very, very welcoming people, and they are very, very warm people, and they cannot treat you badly. They are great people, and that is why everyone longs and desires to go to Jamaica. Now, there are so many people who go to Jamaica. Actually, we have seen very, very many people going to Jamaica. And I think because of these testimonies, what people have said about Jamaica, what people have witnessed about Jamaica, the great sights in Jamaica. Remember that is another unique thing in Jamaica. There are very great historical sites in Jamaica that captivate people, that make people entertained, that make people joyous. Remember that Jamaica is a source of love and peace and joy to everyone. People feel loved, people feel welcomed, people feel at peace, and there is a unique joy that people feel when they arrive in Jamaica. I cannot wait to visit you guys. I love you with all my heart. Seriously speaking, thank you for being such great people in the whole world. You make a difference to people in the whole world. You make people know that love still exists. By showing love unconditionally, we appreciate you. We love you. You are great people. May the Lord bless you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching me and for tuning into this channel. See you during the next video, and share the video. And God bless.